Welcome to GoLogica. In this video, we explore the jQuery training program roadmap for jQuery training course, about the course, prerequisites, eligibility criteria, salaries, roles, and responsibilities, training program. First, we discuss about the course. jQuery is a fast, lightweight, and feature-rich JavaScript library designed to simplify HTML document traversal, event handling, animations, and AJAX interactions for rapid web development. The jQuery course provides an extensive understanding of the core concepts, syntax, and practical applications of jQuery, making it an essential skill for web developers and UI designers. The course begins with an introduction to JavaScript fundamentals, as jQuery is built on top of JavaScript. Learners will explore the basics of DOM, document object model, manipulation, selectors, and event handling to dynamically update web pages. The course covers essential jQuery features such as traversing and filtering elements, handling user events efficiently, and implementing form validation for interactive web applications. One of the key highlights of this course is jQuery animations and effects, where learners will gain hands-on experience in creating smooth transitions, hiding and showing elements, and customizing animations to enhance the user experience. Additionally, AJAX and asynchronous programming are covered extensively, enabling learners to fetch and update data from a server without requiring a page reload. This is particularly useful for building modern, responsive web applications. The course also dives into jQuery plugins. Learners will also explore best practices in performance optimization, debugging, and integrating jQuery with other frameworks like Bootstrap. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer looking to enhance your front-end development skills, this course equips you with practical knowledge and hands-on experience to excel in web development. We know. Prerequisites for the training. To enroll in this course, candidates should have basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, familiarity with front-end development concepts, understanding of DOM structure and manipulation, exposure to web development frameworks, beneficial but not mandatory. Eligibility criteria for jQuery training. The jQuery training program by GoLogica is designed for professionals and students looking to enhance their expertise in front-end web development. The course is suitable for web developers, professionals looking to enhance their client-side scripting skills, front-end developers, those who want to master JavaScript frameworks and libraries, UI/UX designers, designers looking to create dynamic, interactive user interfaces, software engineers, developers seeking to optimize web applications with interactive elements, full-stack developers, individuals working with front-end and back-end technologies, students and fresh graduates, those aiming to build a career in web development, roles, responsibilities, and salaries in jQuery-based jobs. After completing this training, professionals can take on various jQuery-related roles with competitive salary packages based on their expertise and experience. Front-end developer develops and enhances user interfaces using jQuery, JavaScript, and HTML, CSS, and the average salary ranges from $70,000 to $110,000 per annum. Web developer builds and maintains dynamic websites, ensuring seamless user experience with jQuery, and the average salary ranges from $65,000 to $105,000 per annum. UI/UX developer focuses on designing interactive and responsive UI components with jQuery and CSS, and the average salary ranges from $75,000 to $115,000 per annum. jQuery developer specializes in creating and optimizing jQuery-based web applications for enhanced performance, and the average salary ranges from $70,000 to $120,000 per annum. JavaScript developer implements advanced JavaScript and jQuery functions to improve front-end development, and the average salary ranges from $80,000 to $130,000 per annum. Full stack developer works on both front-end and back-end development, integrating jQuery with server-side technologies. The average salary ranges from $90,000 to $140,000 per annum. Web application developer builds scalable web applications using jQuery, AJAX, and REST APIs. The average salary ranges from $85,000 to $125,000 per annum. CMS developer customizes and optimizes content management systems, WordPress and Joomla using jQuery. The average salary ranges from $70,000 to $110,000 per annum. Mobile app developer develops mobile-friendly, responsive applications using jQuery mobile framework. The average salary ranges from $80,000 to $120,000 per annum. Software engineer designs and develops software applications with jQuery, JavaScript, and Ajax functionalities. The average salary ranges from $85,000 to $135,000 per annum. About the training program, the GoLogica jQuery training program is an extensive course designed to equip learners with practical expertise in jQuery development, Ajax handling, UI enhancements, and dynamic content manipulation. This program is ideal for professionals across various domains, including web development, UI/UX design, and full-stack development. The jQuery training program is designed to equip learners with the skills needed to develop dynamic and interactive web applications efficiently. This program covers a range of essential modules, starting with an introduction to jQuery, where participants learn about the core concepts, syntax, and how jQuery simplifies JavaScript development. A major focus of the course is dynamic DOM manipulation, which teaches students how to select, modify, and update HTML elements using the jQuery powerful methods. The event handling module ensures learners understand how to handle user interactions, such as clicks, key presses, and hover effects, to create a seamless user experience. Additionally, the course includes jQuery effects and animations, helping developers add transitions, fades, and slide animations to enhance the visual appeal of web applications. The Ajax and JSON handling module allows participants to retrieve and update data asynchronously, improving website performance and responsiveness. Learners also explore jQuery plugins to extend functionality, along with form validation techniques to ensure accurate user input. The course dives into jQuery UI and mobile, enabling participants to develop rich user interfaces and mobile-friendly designs. By the end of the program, learners will have hands-on experience through real-world projects, industry case studies, certification preparation, and career support services, making them job-ready for web development roles. Start your jQuery journey today with GoLogica.